Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great, and today we will be testing glue stick slime. I kind of doubt this will work because there's so many brands of regular white glue that you can't make slime out of, so I doubt what you can make out of a glue stick. The recipe to make the glue stick slime will be just crushing the glue stick up, adding water to it, microwaving it, and then activating it. Without any further ado, let's get this video started. First, I'm going to cut up my glue, then add some water. Now I am going to melt my mixture in the microwave. Here it is after being in the microwave. Now I am going to try and activate the mixture. Isn't that crazy? Look at the liquid, it's turning transparent. Now I am adding some shaving cream. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. Now I am adding some more activator. Now I am going to color the slime purple. There was forming a clump of slime, so I decided to add some more activator. It felt like a piece of string. So I took out the slime-like parts out of the mixture. So guys, this is our final product. I wouldn't consider this slime. It's just like some strings. I don't know. So basically, you can't make slime using a glue stick unless I messed up. If you guys know what I did wrong, please comment down below. So we got this and this liquid. So yeah, that's all we got. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And in my next video, I will be trying to give this a makeover. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.